know your suitcase sits there by the door, like it's been waiting, all went wrong. In 3 years since we said our vows, but honey, I can't keep holding on. The bills keep coming, work keeps calling, and you keep drinking through the night. I can't stay here anymore, though it breaks my heart in two. I can't stay and watch you fall when there's nothing I can do. So I'm taking what I need and I'm walking out that door. I can't stay here anymore. Remember when we bought this little house, talked about the kids we'd have someday. Now the paint is peeling off the walls, our dreams all but faded away. I tried to fix what's broken between us, but some things meant just can't be repaired. I can't stay here anymore, though it breaks my heart in two. I can't stay and watch you fall when there's nothing I can do. So I'm taking what I need and I'm walking out that door. I can't stay here anymore. Don't think this is what I wanted. Don't think I don't love you still, but loving you ain't been enough to pay the rent or heal the hurt. So when you wake up in the morning and you find this empty bed, don't go thinking I don't care. Just remember what I said. I hope someday you'll understand why I had to let you go. I can't stay here anymore, though it breaks my heart in two. I can't stay and watch you fall when there's nothing I can do. So I'm taking what I need and I'm walking out that door. I can't stay here anymore. The suitcase sits, it's there by the door, and now it's time for me. Your hands are always cold now, even when the fire's burning bright. I reach across this empty bed, but there's no warmth left to find tonight. Cold hands, cold heart, that's what my mama used to say. Cold hands, cold heart, but yours weren't always this way. I remember summer evenings when your touch could make me whole. Now I'm shivering in December, and there's ice around your soul. This my mama used to say. Cold hands, cold heart, but yours weren't always this way. Tus manos están tan frías como el viento del invierno. Ya no siento tu cariño, solo veo tu silencio. Used to trace your fingers down my spine in the morning light. Now you barely touch me, and it doesn't feel right. I'm trying to remember when the change began. Was it gradual or sudden? I don't understand. Your hands used to shake when you'd hold my face, and now they're steady as stone, cold as winter's embrace. I keep the thermostat high, but it doesn't matter. Your coldness runs deep in the skin, it's getting sadder. Every day I wake up hoping you'll be warm again, but your hands tell a story that my heart can't comprehend. Cold hands, cold heart, that's what my mama used to say. Cold hands, cold hearts, but yours were always this way. I still reach for you in the dark, hands, hoping to feel that spark, but all I find is empty space, hands, where love used to live in this place. Your hands always cold now, even when the fire's burning bright. I reach across this empty bay, but there's no warmth left tonight. Coffee's heat is cold again. Same chair, same time. Morning light comes through, but nothing feels right. Empty house, empty heart, don't know where to start. Empty rooms, empty days, can't find my way, can't find my way, can't find my way. Your coat still on the hood, keys beside the door. Everything's the same, but you're not here no more. Empty house, empty heart, don't know where to start. Empty rooms, empty days, can find my way, can find my way, can find my way, can find my way. Used to fill these walls with your laugh, your voice. Now it's just me and the silence I never choose. Empty, empty. Everything's empty. Everything's empty. Empty house, empty heart, the television on again last night. Static voices fill the empty room. I wonder if you hear them calling out your name through the glass that separates me from you. When the screen goes dark, will you remember me? When the last scene fades, will you think of what we used to be? I'm still here waiting in the silence for the credits to roll on this broken heart of mine. The picture's getting fuzzy now, can't make out your face somehow. We used to sit together on that old couch, watching stories play out on the wall. And now I'm talking to an empty chair, while you're living somewhere I can't follow. When the screen goes dark, will you remember me? When the last scene fades, will you think of what we used to be? I'm still here waiting in the silence for the credits to roll on this broken heart of mine. And the picture's getting fuzzy now, can't make out your face somehow. They say all good things must end, but I never thought we'd reach the final episode of you and me. Now I'm left with the reruns of our history. The remote control sits cold beside me. No way to change what's written in the script. You found a different channel, different life, while I'm stuck here watching old broadcasts. When the screen goes dark, will you remember me? When the last scene fades, will you think of what we used to be? I'm still here waiting in the silence for the credits to roll on this broken heart of mine. And the picture's getting fuzzy now, can't make out your face somehow. The signal's weak, but I won't turn away, still hoping for one more yesterday. The television's off now, but I can still hear your voice. She moved to Pine County when she was 17. Took a job in Miller's store down on Main. Her daddy said the city would just break her heart, but she packed her bags and made a brand new start. 20 years later, she's still standing in Pine County, where the seasons change but nothing else does. Pine County, where she learned that love ain't always enough. She's still here waiting for something to come in Pine County. Buried Tommy Jackson in the summer heat. Had 2 babies and a house on Maple Street. The Tommy liked his bottle more than coming home. Now she raises them kids mostly on her own. Still working in Miller's in Pine County, where the seasons change but nothing else does. Pine County, where she learned that love ain't always enough. She's still here waiting for something to come. Pine County. Her oldest daughter's talking about moving away. Says there's nothing for her, she decides to stay. And she remembers being 17 and wanting more than what Pine County had behind its doors. But she just nods and smiles in Pine County, where the seasons change but nothing else does. Pine County, where she learned that love ain't always enough. She's still here waiting for something to come in Pine County. Pine County. Weathered hands hold worn out papers, bills and worries, world's waits. Coffee's cold, conversations careful, news keeps bringing broken dates. Oh la la la. When the world won't slow, when the worried wind blows, we're just holding on. We're just holding on. Can't catch breath between the breaking. Headlines hurt, hope's hard to hold. Maybe tomorrow brings something better. Stories shared, silence sold. Mama used to say, child, this too shall pass. But the passing's taken longer than I thought it would last. When the world won't slow, when the worried wind blows, we're just holding on. We're just holding on. still hold together. What's left worth saving here? Oh, la la la. Morning tea, cold again. Something's changed, can't pretend. Oh, la, la, la. Paper birds flying away. Oh, nothing stays, nothing stays. Empty chair where you sit, reading news bit by bit. Paper birds flying away. Oh, la la la. Nothing stays, nothing stays. Wind picks up through the trees. All these things I can keep. Oh, no. Paper birds flying away. Oh, la, la. Everything fades, everything fades. La la la, la la la. There's a word I've carried in my chest, like a stone too heavy to confess. It sits beneath my ribs and waits, while seasons change and time debates. Will you forgive me? Can you forgive me? For all the things I should have said, the chances that I chose instead with me. Will you forgive me? Forgive me. Oh, I see your face in morning light, and wonder if you sleep at night, or if you're lying there like me, with words we'll never set free. Will you forgive me? Can you forgive me? For all the things I should have said, the chances that I chose instead. Forgive me, please forgive me. Oh, time moves slow when hearts are breaking. Every breath feels like I'm taking more than what I deserve to have, when I can't give back what you gave. If I could turn the pages back and fill the space where words we lack, I'd tell you every single day how sorry feels in every way. Will you forgive me? Will you forgive me? Can you forgive me? For all the things I should have said, the chances that I chose instead. Will you forgive me? Oh, forgive me. Please forgive me. Oh. There's a word I've carried in my chest. I've been sitting by this window pane, watching seasons come and go like rain. The coffee's cold, the morning's gray, and I can't remember yesterday. My thoughts drift like autumn leaves through memories I can't retrieve. The clock just ticks away the hours while I count wilted garden flowers. It's just dust in time, sailing on my mind. Dust in time. There's a photograph upon the shelf of a woman who looks like myself, but younger, brighter than I am, before the world broke all her plans. I trace yellow line of her face, wonder how she'll away from hopeful girl who forgot her dreams and goals. It's just us in time, settling on mine. Dust in time. Maybe tomorrow I'll clean this place. Maybe tomorrow I'll find my grace. But today I sit and watch the sun mark another day that's come undone. The teacup rings stain the old oak table. My hands shake more than they are able to hold the weight of all these years of unspoken words and unshed tears. But in this quiet, broken space, I'm learning how to find my place among the tear between regret and fading fear. It's just us and time settling on my mind. Dust and time. I've been sitting by this window pane, watching seasons come and go like rain. I've been biting my tongue for way too long, watching you make the same damn choices, while I stand here with my hands tied up, can't seem to get through all the noise. You keep asking what's wrong with me, like I'm the one who's lost their mind. But I'm tired of always being the one who has to step in line. And I'm done, yeah, I'm done. So I'm gonna walk away from all your broken promises. I'm gonna walk away before I lose what's left of this. Oh, la-da-da, la-da-da. I'm done trying to save what you don't want to accept. So I'm gonna walk away. Just say you need me, but you don't show it. Just expect me to stick around while you're out there doing whatever, and I'm waiting for you to come back down around. And I'm done, Lord, I'm done. So I'm gonna walk away from all your broken promises. I'm gonna walk away before I lose what's left of this. Oh, la-da-la-da-da. I'm done trying to say what you don't want to fix. So I'm gonna walk away. Papa left me when I was 3. Mama left me when I was 17. Brother left me for the army green. Now you're packing what's in me. Every one of left me to, left me to everyone I love, left me to just like you. Dog left me, got too old. Best friend left me, story's been told. Job left me when times got cold. Now you're leaving, heart's been sold. Everyone I love left me to, left me to. Everyone I love left me to just like you. House left me, couldn't pay. Youth left me yesterday. Hope left me somewhere along the way, but you promised you would stay. Everyone I loved left me to, left me to. Everyone I love left me to, now you too. Left me to, left me to, left me to, left me to. Left me to, left me to. Everyone I love left me to, even you. Coffee cold on kitchen table, morning light through curtains thin. Empty chair beside the window where you used to sit and grin. On this empty porch I'm waiting for your footsteps on the stairs. Every creak sounds like you're coming, but there's nobody there. Nobody there. Nobody there. Garden grows without your tending. Weeds between the roses climb. Clock ticks loud in silent kitchen, marking all this borrowed time. On this empty porch I'm waiting for your footsteps on the stairs. Every creak sounds like you're coming, but there's nobody there. the morning dew. Now just silence fills the spaces that were always filled by you. On this empty porch I'm waiting for your footsteps on the stairs. Every creak sounds like you're coming, but there's nobody there. Nobody there. Nobody there. Nobody there. Sun through the window, dust on my hands. Quiet like waiting for something to land. You sit across, eyes down, half gone. Table between us, words mostly withdrawn. Splinters trace my palm. Swallow, stay calm. It's just wood, but it holds the weight. Morning light won't walk away. It's just wood, but you press your hands like you want answers from where it stands. Gone cold, birds on the sill. Your face in shadow, breathe up a swill. Splinters trace my palm. Swallow, stay calm. It's just wood, but it holds the weight. Morning light won't walk away. It's just wood, but you press your hands like you want answers from where it stands. Hands on the table, mine and yours. Still as winter, quiet wars. If I move, would you stay? Would you follow or fade away? It's just wood, holds everything. What we lost, what we bring. It's just wood, but it holds the weight. Morning light still won't say. Sun through the window, dust start to spin. Table remembers where we have been. Gravel road home, dust on my boots, Carolina pines standing like truth. Your mama's porch light still burning bright. I'm coming back tonight. Take me home, take me home to where you are. Take me home, take me home. I've wandered far, but I'm coming back. I'm coming back to you. Glasses on weathered wood, your daddy's truck still running good. That old oak tree, we carved our names. Nothing here has changed. Take me home, take me home where you are. Take me home, but I'm coming back. I'm coming back to you. I've been walking down these highways, thinking of you every day. Every mile of the way brings me closer to your embrace. Take me home to you. Coming back to you. Coming back to you. Coming back to you. Why don't you come back to the place where we Why don't you come? Tell me what happened that day. Come back, come back, come on, come back where you belong. Come back home. La 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 la. Coffee cold on the counter, leaves fall, leaves burn. Still I wait, still I wonder. La la la.
Counting days, I'm counting the pages, marking time with coffee stains, empty spaces. Your favorite mug still hanging in the kitchen cabinet, untouched and waiting like everything else in this house that holds your memory. Wondering if you think about the way we used to sit together in the morning quiet, reading different books but sharing the same silence, and how you hum those little melodies while making breakfast, filling up the empty corners with your presence.
I'm back.